Catseye has been protecting homes from rodents, wildlife, and other pests since 1987. We believe that a good defense system is the best solution to keep rodents and wildlife outside, where they belong.
That's why we created the CatGuard Exclusion System, our award-winning, construction-based, permanent solution that is chemical-free and seamlessly integrates with your home. All of our CatGuard certified installers and trainers are experienced in home structures and construction.
They go through a rigorous training process to become CatGuard certified. Both our training and our exclusion systems have undergone a constant evolution for over 30 years, and we continue to innovate our products and services to the highest standards possible. No two CatGuard installations are alike because no two houses are the same. Our highly trained teams custom tailor solutions to fit the needs of your home with a free, thorough home inspection.
During the inspection, a qualified inspector will examine the entire structure to determine the points of entry. By doing so, we can determine how these pests are gaining access to your home. A customized project plan is then created so that these entry points are eliminated, ensuring unwanted critters are kept outside and loved ones are protected. Our lower CatGuard system covers the gaps between siding and foundation, the doors and windows on the first floor, in addition to repairing cracks in block or stone foundations. This effort helps seal points of entry for nuisance wildlife like mice, rats, chipmunks, snakes, and other pests. Our upper CatGuard systems help to secure the roof, attic, and the upper floors of your home from bats, birds, squirrels, mice, and other pests that may find their way into the comfort of a warm house. Using materials such as custom fabricated, high-performance metal, our installers will create barriers at each of the key points. While trim boards, gable vents, and chimneys will be covered over with a seal and a screen. Our CatGuard professionals also perform abatement and restoration services to carefully and responsibly remove soiled insulation, disinfect, and replace with new insulation. Then the newly installed CatGuard system keeps the unwanted pests out. For those with burrowing rodents, such as rats, woodchucks, or skunks that like to hang out underneath decks, sheds, and other raised structures, TrenchGuard is the ideal solution. Our installers will dig in front of these vulnerable areas to install a secure hardware barrier underground. After eliminating this point of access, the CatGuard technician will put the soil, grass, or garden back exactly as it was. It will look as though nothing happened at all.
We take pride in making our CatGuard systems invisible to the untrained eye, creating a seamless aesthetic to the exterior of the home or garage. Although you will know the system has been installed and is protecting the home, your neighbors will be none the wiser.
Once the CatGuard system has been installed, a CatGuard certified foreman will visit the property to ensure the installation meets our rigorous standards. Additionally, all CatGuard exclusion systems are protected for 12 months by our standard CatGuard warranty. If rodents or wildlife get back in, we'll take care of it. CatGuard professionals will return to remove the intruders and seal up any new points of entry. After the first 12 months, you'll be given the option to renew your CatGuard warranty. If you become a member of our Platinum Protection Program, which covers additional pests such as ants, bees, spiders, and more, your CatGuard warranty will be included at no additional charge for the life of your Platinum membership. You will receive a detailed annual inspection to ensure every aspect of the system is continuing to work as designed. Trust the experts at Catseye today. Let us help you secure your home by keeping rodents, wildlife, and other pests out for good with our environmentally friendly, dependable, and permanent CatGuard exclusion system.
Our friendly, skilled, and on-time technicians will leave your home better than they found it and leave you with lasting peace of mind. Our mission at Catseye is to responsibly protect every home from rodents and wildlife. Safeguard your most important investment with CatGuard today.